Hello and welcome to LocoFi. This is a quick video to show the install of LocoFi 3 in an Atlas MP15DC switcher. I will not be going into all the details, but simply going to show you how it looks internally. I'll still mention how to take the shell off because that is kind of useful to know. So to take the shell off, all you have to do is remove the coupler, which as you can see, I've already done that over here, and then just pull the shell straight up. So you might have to kind of wiggle it a little bit uh, on the sides, and just don't do it too much, otherwise you risk breaking something. So do it gently, and you can alternate between sides. It's kind of a tight fit. It's a beautiful switcher. It's an Atlas MP15DC, and in the Union Pacific scheme 1350. And so just about to get the shell off here. So this module was actually installed already inside the switcher. Um, so we won't be showing the exact wiring and everything, but at least we can see how exactly it has been fitted, inside the locomotive. So let's see, we are almost there. Just a little bit wiggling remaining, and I guess there is something stuck in the front. Let's just give it a slight push. Okay, let's see here. Maybe I'll just take the front off if I can see what may be going on here. It doesn't look too bad, but looks like the module is kind of stuck to the top here. Alright, so there you go. Finally. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. So since this was actually a DCC ready loco, so I had to kind of remove the light board to make space for the module, the LocoFi 3. And to make for a nice like install, we designed a 3D printed mount specific for this loco, uh, for the module and speaker to kind of sit on. So as you may be noticing, we use 3D printed mounts quite a bit in a lot of our installs to make it more stable, robust, long lasting, secure, permanent or sturdy, whatever you want to call it. Now, it doesn't have to be like 3D printed. Uh, you can see the mount here. It doesn't have to be 3D printed. You can as well use like a piece of like styrene, and set it on top of the motor. So the motor kind of most of the motor, like, they have some kind of couple of notches, so we kind of make some holes or slits in the platform, and that way this thing kind of fits snugly over here. And uh, maybe we could have tried to uh, put the speaker in the front. We'll have to do some modifications to this uh, oval thing here that we see. But we saw that there is just enough space that the speaker and the module can kind of fit towards the back. So we just opted for this simpler option rather than doing the surgery over here. So that's how it looks. I mean, I'll give you a closer look. This is how the lights have been wired, and these how like the wires look, and this is the mount points over here, and then the speaker kind of fits here. Everything has been taped like nicely on top of the module. It's pretty snug and everything. So there it is. uh, we hope that it helps somewhat. And if you have any like specific engine that you ended up using, for example, a similar mount or bracket, like using styrene, and you did a LocoFi 3 install, please do let us know in the comment section below. Or if you need to install something and you can't figure out how to get the mount right, let us know and we will try to help you out as well with the install. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.